Baoyu has become the key hub of garment processing industry in China. By virtue of its garment processing sites in various tiers of cities and its noble garment, every day, every employee of Baoyu who engages in frontline work is rigorous about the quality of garment. For the whole year, there are over 280,000 high-quality sewing machines transported to garment processing enterprises at home and abroad. Since foundation, Baoyu has created productive value for about 30,000 garment enterprises at home and abroad. In China, there is 1 out of 50 people uses sewing machine, which is produced by Baoyu to process garment. As the famous manufacturer to produce sewing machine in coastal East China, we can see that because of Baoyu, comprehensive performance of garment enterprises increases. We can see that because of Baoyu, more related industries develop rapidly. We can see that because of Baoyu, people can enjoy the garment with higher cost performance. Based on the international perspective, Baoyu is realizing the dream to let sewing lines decorate fashion life. In 1999, Baoyu was founded for the purpose of forging national brand and started to build the global dream framework. In 2003, Baoyu explored overseas markets of 38 countries for the first time, which includes Southeast Asia, European and American countries. Series of products were established and periodic success was obtained. In 2006, ERP Enterprise Management System was introduced so as to comprehensively guarantee production and perfect after-sales service. In the end of year 2009, company moved to a new site, expanded its scale, introduced high-end facilities and recruited a lot of talents. Established and perfected internal management control standardization process. Baoyu started a new journey. In 2013, Baoyu entered into international market and cooperated with many famous brands. Today, Baoyu continues its road of global industrial chain and is changing the future of sewing equipment manufactured field in China as the optimum choice for over 30,000 garment enterprises at home and abroad. Baoyu provides not only the sewing equipment, but also a platform with the integration of research and development, sale and service. Every set of sewing machine is exquisite and high qualified, even it is the smallest screw spike. Such quality has never been changed for 15 years. On the road to establish industrial chain of quality life, Baoyu is exploring a diversified development, along with the reform of brand new energy conservation and environment protection technology, as well as the appearance of high speed. Versatile and intelligent products, Baoyu aims to make contribution to sewing cause in this world. We emphasize on every set of machine and cherish every partner. All efforts are made for the only purpose to provide the most efficient and convenient service for the public. There are over 100 types of products sold to China, European and American countries, African countries, and Southeast Asia, including automatic trimming high-speed lock stitch, sewing machine series, which has high-cost performance and is well welcomed by fashion industry. Computer automatic overlock sewing machine series and computer automatic trimming interlock sewing machine series, supported by 4S brand monopolized store and 4S after-sales service site. Baoyu has a close connection with this world and is persistent to realize the dreams of Baoyu. With the international perspective, a common future will be accomplished as the first batch of enterprises which have received ISO 9000 approval in China. Baoyu has reliable production and management system, advanced technology and standardized research and development laboratory. Each product has been through strict tests and simulation under various application scenarios that different demands of clients and value extension are guaranteed. Employees of baoyu who are from all over the world are bearing an extraordinary obligation, no matter their course of life. They have the same positive energy and persuade common development with us. Under a happy atmosphere of work and life, we dare to bear responsibilities because of our passion.
经典品质，
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 穿梭未来，
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 经典品质，穿梭未来。
经典品质，穿梭未来。
Yesterday, we live for the purpose of creating productive value. Today, we fight for creating quality life. Tomorrow, everyone should make efforts to establish an industrialized, platform, international, and diversified baoyu.